Uy, you know, Vivo finally released the newest lineup of the V25 series Night Portrait Master. So here's the vivo V25e mga dongs. And sa video na ito, I'll share the unboxing experience at nang may share ko rin sa inyo ang first impressions ko with this device. Ako nga pala si Janef Dong, and tara, simulan na natin to. Alright, unboxing tayo. Manonotice natin sa box na it's the official smartphone for FIFA World Cup 2022. Sa front, nariyan ang Vivo branding and the model name V25e. Indicated ang RAM and ROM capacity and the color of the unit na nasa loob ng box. That's all for the exterior ng box. Let's see what's inside. We have the vivo V25e here. Mamaya babalikan natin yan. We also have a free gel case na talagang durable based on my own experiences. Quick start guide and paperworks. May included rin na stereo earphones. We also have the USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector pin, a 3.5mm to USB Type-C cable is also included in the package. Last and definitely not the least, the 44-watt charging brick that supports fast charging. Now that's the entire package for the vivo V25e. Let's proceed na sa ating bida. So here's the vivo V25e. Ay grabe, likod pa lang panalong-panalo na. Sobrang eye-catching and refreshing ng design. By the way, ang color na nasa atin ay ang sunrise gold, but you can also get it in diamond black. Alam nyo ba, vivo V25e has a Photochromic version 2.0 wherein it boasts a color-changing feature with its light molecular material kung saan kapag nasinagan o na-expose sa araw or UV light ang back ng vivo V25e, magbabago ang kulay nito and konting segundo lang babalik ulit ito sa dati nitong kulay. The stronger the UV light, mas mabilis itong magbabago ng kanyang kulay. And along with that, with the help of Fluorite AG Matte, mas shiny and rich ang color. Plus, it definitely looks premium, feels premium, at resistant pa sa scratches at fingerprints. On the other hand, yung diamond black color variant naman makes it even more eye-catchy with its elegance. And take note, Vivo is known for its best color-changing technology since V23 series. Aside from that, napakanipis at napakagaan nitong vivo V25e. It only weighs 183 grams at merong height or depth na 7.79mm lang. Magaan na, manipis pa, mas komportabling hawakan at gamitin. Now as we talk about the build ng vivo V25e, check natin ang outer parts nito. So sa right side, andyan ang volume rocker at power button. Sa taas, we have the noise cancelling microphone. Sa baba naman, andyan ang ating dual nano SIM tray, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill. Sa left side, walang kahit na ano. Sa back, of course, andyan ang ating camera module and Vivo logo. And lastly, sa front, nariyan ang ating amazing selfie camera, the Ultra Vision screen, which also features in-display fingerprint sensor, and later on, pag-uusapan pa natin yan. That's for the build. I-share ko naman sa inyo ang ilan sa mga specs and features na agad-agad kong nagustuhan dito sa vivo V25e. Fan ako ng mga AMOLED screens kaya nagustuhan ko na si vivo V25e naka-AMOLED din. It has a 6.44-inch AMOLED plus Halo Full View display, which means mas vibrant ang colors and mas deeper ang blacks. Naka 90Hz screen refresh rate na rin ito, kaya seamless when it comes to navigating sa inyong phone. Kaya naman talagang it's an Ultra Vision screen, AMOLED na 90Hz pa. Now, camera agad tayo guys. Sa rear cam, we have a 64MP OIS Ultra-Sensing Camera, which is sobrang helpful when it comes to image stabilization. Additionally, we have a 2MP bokeh camera and a 2MP macro camera. Sa selfie camera naman, grabe guys. It features a 32MP front-facing camera and wala akong masabi sa quality ng front camera nito. Guys, I took some photos and sobrang amazed ako with the quality nito. And eto yung mga samples.
vivo V25e. So, naka-on yung steady face feature niya. It's one of those features na gugustuhin nyo whenever you're vlogging as you walk or as you run. Kasi ito, talagang i-steady niya yung subject, which is yung mukha ninyo. And yung background, syempre, makikita nyo yung significant na tinatawag nating difference sa inyong subject and yung background. So ito guys, even the rear camera, merong steady face feature wherein steady rin yung shots natin. So, halimbawa man na gusto niyo yung mga travel vlogs, adventure vlogs, and ang target ninyong mangyari is less yung shaky, more steady. Ito, kayang-kaya niyo pong gawin yan dito sa vivo V25e.
V25e's camera lets you record at 1080p and meron siyang multi-style portrait, time-lapse templates, and vlog movie feature kung saan mas easy na ang paggawa ng vlogs directly sa phone ninyo. Marami-rami kayong matitake na photos and videos or may install na apps and games with its storage. Naka 256GB of internal storage ang ating vivo V25e. Multitasking is easy na rin with its 8GB plus 8GB extended RAM. Naka Fan Touch OS 12 ito based on Android 12 and meron siyang 4,500mAh battery which supports 44W fast charging. And take note, efficient itong vivo V25e because of its MediaTek Helio G99 na naka 6nm Flagship Energy-saving chip. Sa madaling salita, kahit maghapon kang mag-stream ng movie sa Netflix, makinig ng music, maglaro ng mga games, kayang-kaya lahat yan dito sa vivo V25e. Additionally, meron itong feature na tinatawag na immersive audio system wherein mas enjoy ang paglalaro at panonood mo dahil solid ang maririnig mong tunog from your vivo V25e. Plus, the all-new privacy and security system which is itatakil natin in-depth sa separate video na gagawin natin. And to sum it up, lahat ng mga binanggit natin dito guys ay talagang nagamit and na-utilize natin as we get our hands dito sa ating vivo V25e. So far, I enjoyed the experience. I'm amazed with the build of this device. The picture and video quality na nakuha natin were superb and I can't wait na matest pa natin ito for a longer period of time. Now of course, hindi matatapos itong video without the price reveal. For only 17,999 pesos, meron kang eye-catching device na professional ang datingan when it comes to photography plus powerhouse of performance because of its solid specs. Hindi lang yan. For early buyers, meron kayong free SIM card and true wireless stereo earphones until supplies last. For more information about the vivo V25e, check nyo lang guys yung description natin para maita nyo po kung saan yung mga links para hindi po kayo maligaw pag kukuha po kayo ng vivo V25e. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung ating unboxing and first impressions with the vivo V25e. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down there in the comment sections below. And kung gusto nyo pa makapanood ng mga ganitong videos, mag-subscribe or mag-follow po kayo sa ating mga social media accounts dahil lagi po tayo nag-upload ng mga ganitong type of content. Again, my name is John F. Dong. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on our next content. Ingat dongs!